Good morning, students. We are going to study the next chapter, that is area of triangles. You have already studied how to find out the area of a rectangle and the area of a square. Area of square is side into side and area of rectangle is length into breadth. And if you split this rectangle into two, we'll get two triangles. Area of rectangle is equal to sum of the areas of two triangles, or area of a triangle is equal to half of the area of the rectangle. And we are studying about right angled triangles and other triangles also, how to find out the area. What is the area of this rectangle? Here the length is given 4, width is given 3. So area is L into B. So it is 4 into 3. You will get 12 centimeter square. Now we have two rectangles. So how will you find out this area? You already find out the area of the bigger rectangle, that is 12. So how will you find out the area of smaller one? Here you got two rectangles. Okay. So the area of smaller one is equal to half of the area of the bigger one. So half into, what is the area of bigger one? 12. So half into 12, you will get 6 centimeter square. So each small rectangle having 6 centimeter square area. So we took the half of the bigger one. What is the area of this one? Area is equal to L into B, that is length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So we will get 80 centimeter square. So instead of dividing, we are drawing a line from one corner to the next corner. So this rectangle is split into two triangles now. What about the area of this one? The previous one we have split like this. Here we are splitting from one corner to the next corner. So if we find out the area of this triangle, how will you get? So the area of one triangle is equal to half of the area of the bigger rectangle. So this is equal to half into area of rectangle is 80. So you will get half into 80 is 40 centimeter square. Otherwise we can write like this. Area of triangle is equal to half into 10 into 8. So the length and breadth is multiplied and take half of that. So you get again the answer is 40 centimeter square. So take half of the length and breadth. So half into 10 into 8. So this is the area of one triangle. This is having 40 centimeter square. This also having same 40 centimeter square. Together it is 80. So by splitting a line from one corner to other corner, one rectangle is split into two triangles. So for finding out the area of triangle, we should take half of the length and the breadth of the rectangle. So see this rectangle. Here we wrote an angles in the corners. So these type of triangles are called a right angle triangle. A triangle with a right angle at the one corner is called a right angled triangle. So in this triangle, this is the right angle. In this right angle, this is the right angle of that triangle. So you got two triangles here by splitting by a line like this. Splitting by drawing a line like this, the rectangle become two triangles, and you will get a right angle at the corner. So that triangles are called right angled triangles. See here, what is the area of this right angle triangle? Here the right angle is here. So what is the area of this one? Previously we studied half of the area of the rectangle. So if you draw one more from this corner, you will get a right angle. So if we cut out two right angles and join like this, you will get a rectangle like this. So how will you find out the area of this triangle? That is half into, the length is 5 and the breadth is 4. So half into 5 into 4, that is half into 20. How much you will get? Answer you are getting as 10 centimeter square. So for one rectangle, what is the area? 10 centimeter square. If this also, this another triangle with the area 10 centimeter square. What about the total area of the rectangle? 10 plus 10, 20, or 5 into 4, 20 we are getting. So for finding out area of the triangle, what you have to do? We have to find out the half of the product of these perpendicular sides. The half of product of perpendicular sides we have to multiply. Half into 5 into 4. So we will get half into 20, we will get 10. So half of perpendicular sides should be multiplied. Area of a right angle triangle is half the product of perpendicular sides. Half the product of perpendicular sides. Take half of length and breadth should be multiplied. Calculate the area of this figure. First one, see this one. What is the length here? One perpendicular side is 10, the another perpendicular side is 6. Here is the right angle triangle. So how will you find out the area? Area is equal to half into 10 into 6. So how much you will get? Half into 60. How much is that? 60 by 2 become 30 centimeter square. So take the half of the product of perpendicular sides. So 10 and 6 are the two perpendicular sides, that multiplied by half. So we'll get the answer as 30 centimeter square. So half into 10 into 6. Take the product of perpendicular sides of these two sides. Perpendicular sides should be multiplied and take the half. We will get the area of the triangle. What is the area of this triangle? Area is equal to half of perpendicular sides. 6 into, this is the right angle triangle. So 6 into 4.5. So half and 6 should be cancelled. You get 3. 3 2s are 6. So 6 into 4.5. So 45 into 3 should be multiplied. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So we will get 135. Here how many decimals is there? 1 decimal. So 13.5 centimeter square is the answer. So 6 and 4.5 are the sides, perpendicular sides. Half into 6 into 4.5. 2 and 6 should be cancelled, you get 3. So 3 into 4.5, we are getting 135. And 1 decimal, you have to keep like this. So in the answer, we are getting 13.5 centimeter square. Area is equal to half into 5 into 3.5. 5 and 3.5 are the two perpendicular sides. So take the product and take the half. Next, 3.5 into 5. We will get 35 into 5 will get 175. 175. Here 1 decimal, so 17.5 divided by 2. So 17.5 divided by 2. 8 2s are 16. Remainder 1. 15, 7, 14. So 5s are 10. The answer here getting is 8.75 centimeter square. So product of two perpendicular side and take the half. We will get the area of the triangle. So the equation is half into area is equal to half into L into B. If you take the double of this, you will get the area of rectangle. So area of triangle is equal to half of the area of rectangle. Find out the area of this figure. Here you can see two right angle triangle and one rectangle. So how will you find out the area? The area of first triangle, right angle triangle, then area of the second right angle triangle, and the area of rectangle. All these three should be added together. So we will get the total area of the figure. You can write like this. The total area of the figure is equal to area of first and second right angle triangle plus area of the rectangle. So these two triangles area should be added along with the area of the rectangle. How will you find out the area of the first one? Here the rectangle is 6 cm. Here also 6 cm length. Here the breadth is 5. So this also 5 cm. So see the first figure. Which are the two perpendicular sides? One is 2 cm and one is 5 cm. So one is 2 cm and next one is 5 cm. So area of this triangle we have to find out. That is the first one. Area of triangle is equal to half into product of perpendicular sides. So 2 into 5. 2 and 2 should be cancelled. You get 5 centimeter square. Next, area of the second triangle. Here the perpendicular sides are 2 and 5 again. So area of the second triangle is half into 2 into 5. 2 and 2 should be cancelled. We will get 5 centimeter square again. Next we have to find out the area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. So L into B. So here length is 6 cm and the breadth is 5 cm. We will get 30 cm square. So the final answer become 30 plus 5 plus 5. Total area 5 cm square plus 5 cm square plus 30 cm square. How much you will get? 40 cm square is the total area of this figure. Area of triangle plus area of the second triangle plus area of the rectangle. So all three areas should be added together. You will get the total area of the figure as 40 centimeter square. Find the area of this triangle. Here you can see two right angle triangles here. One is here, one is the other one. So these two right angle triangles together you have to find out the area. So area of the first one and the area of the second one should be added. You will get the total area of the figure. So for finding out the total area, what we have to do? Sum of areas of two right angle triangles. Sum of areas of two right angle triangles you have to find out. So see the first one with the 2 cm and 7 cm. 2 cm and 7 cm. Here is the first triangle. You can see the first triangle here. Okay, this side. So I drawn here. So 2 and 7. So what is the area? Area is equal to half into product of two perpendicular sides. 2 into 7. So we will get the answer as 7 centimeter square as the first triangle. Next you have to find out the second triangle. Second triangle, same 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter is the base. Here is the base and here is the height. So product of two perpendicular sides, 4 into 7. 4 and 2 should be cancelled. You get 2 again. 2 2s are 4. So 7 2s are 14 centimeter square. So this 14 centimeter and 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter should be added together. You will get the area of this bigger triangle. Here you got 7 centimeter square and here you got 14 centimeter square. These two should be added. You will get the total area. Total area is equal to 7 centimeter square. That is the area of the first triangle and area of the second triangle. So we will get 21 centimeter square. area of the first triangle we have to find out. Next, area of the second triangle again you have to find out. Then together should be added. So this is the first triangle 7 and 2. We will get the area as 7 cm square. The second triangle 7 and 4 is the perpendicular sides. We will get 14 cm square. Together it is 21 cm square. The area of a right angled triangle is 96 square centimeters. One of the perpendicular sides is 16 meters long. What is the length of other side? Here the area is given and one perpendicular side is also given. We have to find out the other side. So area of triangle is given 96 centimeter square and one of the perpendicular side. These are the two perpendicular sides. In that one is given 16 centimeters. The other we have to find out. So area of triangle is 96. One of the perpendicular side is 16. Length of the side we have to find out. So how will you find out the area? Area is equal to, area of triangle is equal to half into product of two perpendicular sides. Here which are the sides given? 16 is given. We have to find out the other. So half into 16 into other side. Area is given 96 centimeter square. Half into one of the perpendicular side is given 16. Other side we have to find out. So 2 should be multiplied here. 96 into 2. And 16 should be divided. We will get the other side. So to find out the other side, area into 2 by the other perpendicular side. So 96 into 2, 16, 6 are 96. So the other side is equal to 6 into 2. How much you will get? 12 centimeter. So the other side is 12 centimeter. So half into 16 into 12 is 96. Here the area is given and one of the perpendicular side is given. We have to find out the other side. So area is 96. Half into 16 into other side. We have to find out the other side. So here 1 by 2. 2 should be come to other side, should be multiplication, and 16 here multiplied here and it will come to the other side of the equal, so it should be divided. So 96 is equal to half into 16 into the other side. So 2 should be multiplied here, 16 should be divided to this side. So side is equal to 96 into 2 by 16. Area multiplied by 2 divided by the perpendicular side. You have to get the other side. So 16, 6 are 96, 6 into 2, it is 12 centimeter. That we got here. Perpendicular sides of right angle triangle are 12 and 15 centimeters long. One right angle triangle, the sides are 12 and 15. Another right angle triangle of same area. Another right angle triangle of same area has one of the perpendicular side is 18. What is the length of the other? Here two right angle triangles are given. The similarities, it has both are same area. In the first triangle, the sides are perpendicular sides are 12 and 15, and second triangle, one of the side is given, the other side we have to find out. So for the first triangle, the area is not given, but the perpendicular sides are given. So using this perpendicular side, we can find out the area. So perpendicular sides are 12 and 15. What is the area? Half into product of perpendicular sides. 12 into 15. So 2, 6 are 12. 15 into 6 is 90 centimeter square. So the area of first triangle is given 90 centimeter square. And see the second part. Another triangle having same area. Same area means it is 90 centimeter square. Having perpendicular side is 18. The other side we have to find out. This we can done like the previous question. Here in the case of second triangle, the area is same as the previous one, 90 degree. So area is equal to 90 centimeter square, and one of the perpendicular side is given 18. One side is given 18 centimeter. We have to find out the second perpendicular side we have to find out. So it has same area like the previous one. So area is equal to half into L into B, length into breadth. Here length is given, breadth we have to find out. So half into L is 18 into B. Here area is given 90 degree. So breadth is equal to 90. 2 should come this side. So 90 into 2 by 18. 9 2s are 18. So here 10 is there. 2 5. So 5 into 2 10 centimeter is the answer. So area of the first triangle is given. It is 90 centimeter square, and area is equal to half into product of sides. One is 18, the other side we have to find out. Area is how much? 90 centimeter square. So we have to find out B. B is, how will you find out? 90 into 2 by 18. So other way you can find out. If you divide with 2, you will get 9. 9, we cut it, you will get 10. Like this also you can find out. So 10 centimeter. Otherwise 9 2s are 18, and be 10 remaining here. So 5 2s are 10. So you will get 5 into 2 10. So anyway the side is 10 centimeter. That is the second triangle.